The Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, in collaboration with the State-Level Bankers Committee of Meghalaya, hosted an outreach program on the Atal Pension Yojana at the courtyard by Marriott in Shillong today. Pfrda Chairman Deepak Mohanty briefed the media, explaining that the Atal Pension Yojana is aimed at low-income individuals and those without access to pensions, including agricultural workers and small business owners. The scheme offers pension ranging from 1,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees based on individual contributions starting at the age of 60. The outreach aims to increase awareness among banks and frontline staff to boost enrollments.
Small businesses, they don't have access to pension. So APY gives a pension between 1,000 to 5,000 rupees. So people would have to contribute to the scheme, and so it has three benefits. At the age 60, the person gets pension depending on his or her contribution. If he or she passes away, the spouse gets similar amount of pension. Both of them pass away, then the accumulated amount, whatever they have put, along with interest, is given to the next of kin.
The government held a meeting with the teachers of the SSA